Okay, I edited it as a sound file and to play second end to end when I left the slide. Here's how I did it. I went to Media, Audio. I went to my iTunes because I knew I had some little stuff there, but I know you can go to GarageBand, like if you've created something there too. What's this one?
Vendetta. Spell vendetta.
Oh, hilarious. That's from when I was making spelling files. Okay. So anyway, in iTunes, if you create some little blip or you download some free sounds, you can get those at, wonder why that's still sitting there. Okay. You can get free sounds on our website, Iowa AEA Online. Hopefully I'm not telling you way too much. Sounds abound. And our username is 27H81HDMS, and our password is AEA267. And then there are sounds galore that you can get. Let's just say I want something super short, 15 seconds. I can put in like anything. I can put a dog, I can put horse, I can put crashing cymbal, you name it, you can search it. And when they come up with sounds, whatever one I want, I just say download. And I'm going to tell it just to save my file. Notice it will default open it with iTunes. Then I'm at my keynote. Probably have to go off there and back in. Wow, I have way more iTunes choices now. Interesting. Wonder if I had to tell it to open it. Maybe I should have told it to open it. Or maybe I should just drop it on my page. Hey, let's try that. It's in my downloads. Hey, I can do that. I'll delete this other one. So my choices when I have it picked, when you are in Inspector, in Builds, and you click on the one you want, you say Start Audio, and then it will put it wherever you want it. I can have it actually be first, and close drawer, hit play. I'm currently on click. And it'll play for the entire duration of the slide. There are 10 more choices too, but that should at least get you rolling. Hope that helps and wasn't too much.